Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. I want to share a new line of boots we have called Steel Blue. These are some heavy-duty, all-leather, top-grain cowhide work boots. We do pull-ons, we do lace-ups. Their safety toes are ergonomically designed to be more comfortable. And best of all, try them out. If they aren't as comfortable as they say, they'll take them back and give you a full refund. So guys, if you're having trouble getting a good, comfortable work boot that lasts, come and check out the new Steel Blue. Your feet will love it. See us at either one of our locations in Rogers or Lakeville. That's Pleasant Hills, the Western Experience. Or visit us online at phsaddle.com.